Hey everyone, it's Mitch Simon from the Simon Leadership Alliance, and we want to talk about commitment. We're going to talk about today about commitment, especially in the world of a committed avatar. Yeah, the committed avatar. Used to be, we all used to work in offices. Remember when dinosaurs roamed the earth? We used to work in offices. It was pretty easy to understand how to get work done because you looked around you and you saw other people getting work done. They got to their cubes or their desks or their offices. They pounded keyboards. They had people interrupt them. They went to meetings. They came back. They knew exactly what to do, and life was kind of easy. Now, we actually have to talk about it. We have to kind of create a commitment avatar. Like, what does it look like to be committed to the job? And also, what does it look like to not be overcommitted? Right? It's kind of interesting with the stats that are out there. We thought that we were going to have trouble getting people to be productive, and we're not having trouble having them be productive. We're actually having troubles having them being overproductive and too committed. So I really do think that in the area of commitment, I think the greatest thing that you can do as a team is to have a conversation about what does the committed avatar look like? What does it look like to be committed on this team? Do we have to answer everybody's emails immediately? Do we have to work through lunch? Do we need to take lunch? Do we need to take an outside break? Do we need to answer every email? Do we need to support each other? Do we need to stop working at noon or at 5 or at midnight? So I do think that in the scope of creating a team where every person is committed, we need to really create an understanding of what, in fact, that looks like so people can take on being that avatar and not overextending it and burning themselves out. Thanks. This is Mitch Simon of the Simon Leadership Alliance. We will see you next time.